In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to save as a PDF file inside of Photoshop. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Photoshop like you usually would. Then from here you need to go up to Files and down to Save As. Then from here you should be looking at something like this. And here you can change the file name and you can click the Save As type where you need to go from PSD to a PDF file instead. Then from here you need to click Save. Then it should be looking something like this with the settings you choose in the Save Adobe PDF dialog can override your current settings and you just need to click OK. Then it should be looking something like this. And here you can change the Adobe PDF preset from high quality to any of these. You can add the standard or a compatibility, and down here you can also change the options if you want to do that. Then from here you can either save preset or you can save the PDF like so, and then click yes. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!